everybody, Ms. Nichols here with a quick tutorial on Canvas. Just kind of give you a fast version of what it's like to navigate Canvas as a student and a parent, and how to help you monitor or have discussions with your student about their learning. So when they log in, they'll see a dashboard with a series of like cards, if you will, for each course. After they click on the card, it will take them to the class's homepage. They all vary a little bit with information and resources to help the student navigate the course. On the left, we have links. Each one of these buttons takes the student or viewer to a place that they need to go. Usually students are using this to access their course material, either their assignments or resources, and maybe you are using it as a way to have a conversation with your student about where they are in the course, how they're progressing, what they're learning. So if we click on this button here, it takes us to a list of assignments and resources. My class tries to be very simple. We start at the top and work down. This is like a unit or a module, as we call them. The students start with the first assignment and work their way down. The green marks are marked done, meaning the student has clicked a button that says marked done. I've done this. Now, it doesn't mean I have marked it done, so occasionally those get marked done when they haven't done it. But I have noticed this does help them stay organized so that when they come back to the course, they know this is where they start next. When you open one of these assignments, there are sets of instructions. If it's graded or there's comments, they will be here on the right, and it's marked done by the student. Some assignments don't have anything you could submit online. They're just something that's turned in on paper. This blue words are a link that would take you somewhere else. One of the greatest simple things here is this little next button. It's small but powerful. You click it, it takes you directly to the next assignment or link in Canvas. So here you have another example of something I've asked a student to do. Here, really important, you'll see the comments that I've left them and the grade as it is stands so far. Classic example of a student marking something done when it's not actually done. Assignments, when there's something they can submit online, will have a blue submit button up here. And for example, if I'm to resubmit, you can see that I can type in this area. I can also change my text, add videos, links, images, whatever. You can all sorts of stuff can be done in this box. And here is the grade and feedback as it stands so far. If you need to explore the grades of the student, and that's your main question, you go to the grades screen. I'm going to leave here. It's all good. So it's going to take me to the grades screen, which once again is listed in the same order. These are the same names that will appear on PowerSchool. They won't be any different. Checks mean they're done. For some assignments, it's just kind of a completion. Otherwise, there would be a number out of a total. A powerful thing to remember here are these little dialogue buttons. These are comments, feedback left by me to help the student progress, understand what they did well, what they need to improve, resources. But you and your student, this is where you need to put your focus to help them revise, to help them understand where they're at, help them feel proud, so on and so forth. There are the weights here for the scorings. You can see more details here. You can print them out. But this is a pretty useful place to go. On the left here, you're not going to use a lot of these links. The module button will take you to the modules for the course. It's another way to get there. Sometimes there'll be a lot of information here. I do a kind of a slow release because some students are overwhelmed by long lists, like some adults too. The Sci Samurai website is my personal website that's in constant state of evolution, that I have specific resources on here to help them, for example, with their projects, with research, and anything from building bibliographies to you name it. They can also communicate with me here via the inbox. So I hope this helps you with a basic, quick version of what is Canvas, how do you navigate it, how do you talk to your student about what they're doing. Please contact me for more in-depth instructions, helps, or tutorials. I look forward to working with you and your student in the future.